Let's discuss the neuroscience of overthinking and why your brain will not shut off. Your brain was not designed to be in a constant state of analysis, and overthinking is what happens when your mind shifts from problem solving to problem creating. What's happening in your brain when you overthink? The amygdala, your brain's fear center, goes into overdrive, scanning for potential danger, even if none exists. This keeps you in a state of high anxiety, making it impossible to relax. And chronic overthinking releases the stress hormone like cortisol, keeping your body stuck in a fight or flight response. Again, this increases anxiety, muscle tension, and even digestive issues. And at the same time, the part of your brain responsible for rational thinking gets overwhelmed by stress, and instead of thinking logically, you spiral into doubt, fear, and worst case scenarios that might not even happen. And remember this, your brain is not broken. It is stuck in a loop trying to keep you safe. But safety is not found in overanalyzing every decision. It is found in learning to trust yourself.